Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add wishlist in Shopify Dawn theme. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, navigate to the left pane menu and click on the Add Apps embed. Now, a pop-up will appear on your screen. Simply tap on the Shopify App Store hyperlink at the bottom and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, go to the search bar at the top and search for Wishlist. Now, a bunch of search results will appear. You can choose whichever you prefer, but I would recommend using Wishlist Plus as it is high rated. After that, click on Install and again click on the Install button to confirm the action. Now that the installation is done, you will be sent to the Wishlist Plus website. Here, select any one reason, click on Continue, and then skip the next step. After that, a bunch of plans will appear. Simply select the first one and select Continue. On this web page, you will be able to choose the location of the wishlist icon. I will choose this one, continue to the next step, and then select the style and color of Add to Wishlist Embed. You may select whichever one suits your website, but I will let the color remain same. After selecting it, click on this button at the bottom and you will be prompted to enter email credentials. If you want, you can just finish the procedure and that's it. Now you just need to click on this Live Theme Editor embed and then enable the wishlist. Once done, save the settings, and now if I open my website, you can see that the wishlist feature is being displayed. So that's basically how you can add wishlist in Shopify Dawn theme. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.